say that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been.
Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If this is not your first time being here, I don't think I've ever introduced myself to y'all, but my name is Keziah. I'm going to show you guys how I got this style today. Today I'm going to be re-dyeing my roots and doing a retwist, which I did off camera just to warn you. So I did a retwist, root touch up, I guess that's what you call it, and then boho fairy locks, not sure what I should call it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, so let's get into it. I know I look a little crazy right now, so just bear with me. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair with this dark and lovely box dye. I know everybody hates box dye, but I'm scared of bleach. I don't want to play around with bleach when it comes to my hair, so we're going to be using box dye. This color that I had it since I installed my Microlocs, but now I think it's time to touch up my roots. I've only did it once since I've had my Microlocs, and I'm just ready to be fully brown again. So once again, this is the box dye that I'm using. It's in the color 391. So please don't hate me in the comments. I always tell y'all I'm not a professional hairstylist or loctician. I'm just a girl, just a DIY girl. So please, just please guys, keep the negativity to yourself. So far it hasn't damaged my hair. I've been box dyeing my hair since high school, so it just feels safe. It's comfortable. I don't know. I don't gotta explain myself, okay? Anyways, so I'm about to start on dyeing my hair first, and then I'm gonna style it. So stick around to the end of the video if you want to see the final result. Also, thank you Eayonhair for sponsoring this video. We're gonna follow the directions, even though I kind of know them at this point. Sometimes, like in the videos that I post that really get the views, which are based off my hair, y'all be kind of hating on me a little, so just be nice, okay? Also, they give you 2 little gloves. Don't quote me on it, but I think dark and lovely is meant for black girls' hair. First step is gloves. Second step is to put basically the dye, I think that's what it is. You're gonna put that into the cream developer. Yeah, so you just pour it basically. Next step is to shake it. Shake it up a bit. Do y'all like when I do like the 5 to 10 minute videos, or do y'all like longer videos? Like I want to say like 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna try to make this one long, but my problem is I talk so much when I am recording, and then when I edit, it's like I be kind of cringing. I'm talking about that, like that doesn't even matter. And so I cut out so many clips. The videos tend to be so much shorter, because sometimes when I watch other YouTubers videos and they just like keep talking, I just kind of like skip through it. And shake it up one last time. I don't mind, you can put a towel around your neck, but personally I don't really care. Like I just kind of put it in there, you know. Listen, this is a DIY page for a reason, okay? I can't see behind this bun. I literally told y'all it's filming the video. Oh, and I see you guys in the comments of my like first video before I had locks with the mini twist asked where did I get my glasses from, and I actually just got them from the eye doctor. They're obviously prescription. I know y'all be seeing. Oh, it's going down my shirt. I'm just adding more around the perimeter. The rest of it just using like any book that I might have missed. I don't know. I hope we did. We're just gonna put this in a something. I don't know if I would call this a bun, but it's something. Just to get it out of the way. And we're gonna wait 30 minutes like the packaging says. Well, I will get back to you guys after 30 minutes has passed. It's been 30 minutes. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go rinse it out now. I took it out of the little bun thing. I'm not gonna take the phone and the setup with me in the bathroom this time, only because guys, I really just don't feel like doing that. So next wash day though, I'll take you guys in the shower and show you guys like I always do, but I just need to rinse this out really quickly and speed up this process. I will see you guys when it's washed and conditioned. So this is what it looks like. I have the nourishing care cream. It took so long to wash out. Even when I washed my hair out, I still had some left over. So I do suggest using it, but just be prepared to wash it out really good because it is very hydrating. So it takes a long time to get out of your hair. So just be careful using it. This is the hair that was sent to me by Eayonhair. It is bulk braiding hair. So, you know, for the boho twists that were in style. So this is bulk human hair that you use for the boho pieces. But yeah, I'm gonna have to bleach it because it obviously doesn't match. And as you can see, it's not on a weft. So all of their information will be listed below. To dye this hair, I'm going to make a bleach bath, kind of similar to the way I did in my DIY Microloc video. So if you're unsure how to do a bleach bath, just refer to that video. I'll have it linked somewhere on the screen or in the description box if I didn't figure out how to do it. It's soft, it has a nice curl, and you see the bounce. So yeah, I do not remember how long this hair is. Hopefully it's somewhere on the screen. I want to say 18 or 20. I'm not sure. So I'll get back to you guys once the hair is bleached to match my hair color and for styling. They're driving like motorcycles or something. I don't know, but it's so loud outside. I don't know if I want to do the boho twist or braids or the Jada Waiter braids. I have no idea. I don't know what kind of style I want to do. That's huge. I don't want to do that. Guys, I have to go brainstorm some styles that I can do, some boho styles with this hair, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I made a decision. My hair is basically dry. So I decided I'm just gonna do, like, you know, boho braids or boho fairy locks. I'm just gonna do those on my actual locks. So let's see how it turns out. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a regular retwist and then crochet the boho pieces in. Like, this is the braids, but like it'll be with Microlocs though. Did a fairy locks video. I cannot remember her name. How I cropped it out of the screenshot, but I'll put her name on the screen somewhere. I'm basically gonna be doing like this kind of style, but it seems as though she just did the same thing I was describing, which is just feeding the boho pieces into the locks. So I'm gonna re-watch it, or just watch a piece of it to make sure that's what she did. But yeah, so this is my inspiration and hopefully this works out. I'm gonna start my retwist. I'll get back to you guys when I have my hair retwisted. The sun will probably be down. It's currently 2:48. I'll get back to you guys when I have my hair retwisted, and then we'll add in the boho pieces together. Okay, so I have my retwist in, just waiting for it to dry. I dyed one bundle as a tester, and this is what it looks like. I think it matches my hair color good enough. I started dyeing this, I think, while I had my hair dye, and I used 40 volume developer in the purple and green BW bleach. I'm not really sure what it's called. We're gonna wait for this to dry and wait for my retwist to dry, and then I'm going to crochet in. Guys, I'm tired from retwisting my hair, dyeing it, washing it, all of that all day. Hair is not fully dry yet, but it does match good enough, and I'm about to start crocheting it in. Honestly, I just need a nap and I can't take any more of this. I've never worked with like boho hair like this before, like bulk. Oh, it didn't dye where the rubber band was, so you can see the color difference. It took about an hour to get. I am just going to wing this. I have my tiny crochet hook. See, the loop is a little smaller than normal, I think. You can get one off of Amazon. I'm gonna take like a small little piece like so, and let's just see what we could do. Why not? So you're just gonna pull that through there, and then okay, I think this piece might be a little too big, but, and we're just gonna pull it through. Okay, so far we got a nice little match.
You should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend besides me. On the low, no location. I don't want them singing, getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tight, 'cause they won't I'm chilling on the west side. Boo. Call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause I too on the low, no location. I don't want them seeing me getting faded. Yeah. Looking at you cry, going crazy. If I could, I would take the pain away. I don't see that smile I made. You already make plans that ain't made. Trying hard, I've been trying hard to breathe. Inhale, exhale, you expel what you've been doing to me. Fighting me off, you've been fighting me off for weeks. Don't leave cause I need you. You should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, come on home, go tell your best friend.
Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like with only, what, I want to say 3 curly pieces in. So I'm going to add the rest off camera. This is what it's looking like so far. I need to put like some mousse or leave-in conditioner on it, but I've just been crocheting them in. Yeah, it's a little dry, so it needs some conditioner or some mousse, but this is what it's looking like so far. I'm just gonna show you guys this real quick and then I'm gonna come back with the finished product. So you just take the crochet hook and then you hook it. Oh, okay, you hook it through the lock like that, and then you take the hair and you put it in, and then once you have it through the lock like this, you're just gonna tie it, so make a nice little knot, and then pull it through, and there you go. Just wet it up a bit so that it is not so like frizzy, you know. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I know if you look too fast it kind of looks like it's just my regular hair, but it's not. You can see the boho pieces. This is what it looks like. I think it is so pretty. I told y'all I like curly locks and I feel like this is a good substitute. Also, do y'all like my lashes? They're clusters. I love it. I think it's super cute, and you should definitely try it. Details on the hair will be in the description box down below, so check that out if you're interested. That pretty much concludes this video. I am hungry and tired, so I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I mean, I feel like there's a lot of styles you can put this hair in, but I'm just gonna stick with my simple side part that I always go to. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.